Hello everyone, my name is Tui and tonight we're going to talk about the pH scale. The pH scale is a measure of how acidic or basic the water is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. The pH scale that is less than 7 is acidic. The pH that is greater than 7 is a base. Each number represents a tenfold change in the acidity or basicness of the water. The importance of pH, it determines the solubility and biological availability of chemical constituents such as nutrients and heavy metals. It also determines whether aquatic life can use the pH. The pH inside a human cell is 6.8 and the blood inside a human is 7.4, and they're very close to the neutral. However, the environment inside your stomach is highly acidic with a pH of 1 or 2. This is an example of the pH scale. The pH scale of 1 is a gastric acid. The pH scale of 7 is a pure water. And the pH scale of a 14 is a concentrated solution of alkalis. And this is another example. The battery acid is a pH scale of 0. A pH scale of 6 is a saliva. And these are my sources. Thank you for watching.